What's up, YouTube? I've been working out my shop this weekend, and the lights I have in there, honestly, they suck. Can't see what I'm doing or working on. So I went to Harbor Freight, and I found me this 4-foot LED shop light. I'm going to make this video a before and after. Hopefully this helps someone out. Thanks for watching. Alright, so let's get after it. So here is the before and after on the Harbor Freight LED hanging light. So, my opinion on the shop light, hell yeah, I would recommend it to anybody. And it's easy to install. I mean, hell, I had it up in about 5 minutes. So go get you one.